Unfiltered productivity advice. Jump straight into it. Advice tip number 1. Chug more water and don't move. For this, I'm going to let Andrew Human take over before I butcher it. Here you go.
I confess, I don't allow myself to go to the restroom in that period of time. Here's an interesting little tip that's grounded in physiology. You have a direct neural connection from your bladder to your brainstem areas that increase alertness. This is why when you have to go to the bathroom, when you have to urinate, it is extremely agitating, right? It can be very, very agitating. I'm not encouraging you to get so agitated by filling your bladder so much and resisting going to the bathroom that you are uncomfortable and can't focus. But I generally will just drink liquids and work away, and I won't walk away to go use the bathroom unless I absolutely have to.
Tip number 2, the doctrine of delaying habits. Delaying your gratification is paramount to your success and productivity. Pretty much, if you have something you want to do, say, I'll do it after I do this work. And that work allows you to reap the rewards of the thing you want to do, which will create this positive reinforcement loop around you completing the work, because your body starts to realize via the dopaminergic system that once you complete it, you get the reward and it makes you feel good, making you want to complete it next time and be more consistent in habituating the productive task. Tip number 3, remove friction via planning. Plan meticulously everything you're doing, the work you're doing, the clothes you're wearing, the places you're going, and remove the friction from the productivity. Half of the battle of battling procrastination is knowing what to do. Planning equals productivity in most cases. I would say it's more than 50% of the battle. Plan to remove friction and make it easy for you to jump into that work that you need to get done. Tip number 4, put something on the line. It's a very, very well-known fact that people perform better when something's on the line. Don't employ too much pressure that you'll feel burnt out, stressed, and overwhelmed with cortisol, because that will be negative towards your work also. But have something on the line. So, for example, you could pair it with the second tip, delaying gratification and the doctrine of delayed gratification, and have a nice lunch lined up. But if you don't complete the work, or you complete it to a lower standard, cut the lunch, go for something easy, like a disgusting sandwich that you don't really enjoy, a menial meal. This thing on the line will be able to create a barrier between the quality differences in your work and employ you on that echelon that will progress you in the most efficient, effective, and of course productive manner. So equally, when you complete the work to a high standard and you reap the rewards of that lovely lunch that you've lined up and you've delayed off until you complete the work to the standard you need to complete it at, then you'll appreciate it more, number 1. And number 2, you'll again reinforce yourself to be more consistent in habituating the productive work. You will reinforce yourself positively, and this will positively correlate to a higher consistency of productive work. It's very simple. It's really simple. Just before we get on to the final tip, I know this is a short video, but the top links in the description will take you to a meeting page with me, where I can help you go from A, pro procrastinator, to B, pro work dominator, using every single tip and tactical knowledge I know and you can implement. I'll take you through your lifestyle, your choices. Every single detail will be meticulously planned to change you for the better and make you more productive. If you're looking to get work done, click the top links. Tip number 5, make it your character. So you wake up in the morning, you look in the mirror. What are you going to say to yourself? What are you going to imagine yourself to do in that day? If it's not part of your character, you might not get it done. So, for example, it's not, I'm going to complete productive work today. It's, I complete productive work on a day-to-day basis. It's part of your character. I am going to be disciplined today. I am disciplined every single day. Instilling it in part of your character, part of your image, part of your self-image will be paramount to success, because number 1, if you make it verbal, you make it loud, you talk to your friends and family, say, I'm doing this, I am doing this right now, I do this every single day. You're instilling it not only in yourself, but you have the accountability of other people. So you don't do it one day, people ask, oh, you done that thing today? You say no, you get this imposter syndrome, and it curves you back onto the correct path towards that success and productivity in that habit. So to consistate it, number 1, You need accountability of verbal out loud. I know loose lips sink ships, and people have this cliche view that speaking about the habits you do will make you less consistent towards them, but sometimes it's all you need is a bit of accountability. That's what I can offer in the top link in the description. Number 2, you're keeping it with yourself. If you believe in the subconscious malarkey of instilling success first in the subconscious brain, then you saying to yourself and saying out loud to other people, I am disciplined, I do consistently productive work, I make progress towards the goals I want to complete, eventually the universe will align, and supposedly your subconscious will open the opportunities for the success to seep in. Make it part of your character. Thank you for watching today's video. I know it's only short, but I'm trying to get the most efficient and effective knowledge tactically across towards you so you can implement it fast, make progress fast, and I hope you do that. I hope you find productivity and battle procrastination, beating it in its tracks. Click the top link in the description if you're interested in working with me. I really look forward to seeing you. Thank you for watching.